folks, man? This is Monk. We back outside, man. Y'all don't be outside like I be, man. But we got something hot for you today, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting to get my hands on them. But yeah, this is your unboxing video series, man, where we unbox tech toys and sneakers. You know what I'm saying? And it's me, Monk, man. And once again, you never know what you're gonna get. And this is no exception today, man. So today we got a pair I've been waiting to get my hands on. You see these box, man, and you ahead, you should know that this is the Jordan Lifestyle Shoe Box, the official, anything not a pair that Jordan actually wore is probably gonna come in a shoe box that looks like this, especially if it's new. But let's get a look at these, man. I've been waiting to get my hands on them. And this is gonna be the Jordan Point Lane, man. And what's the box describe it as? Yeah, so we got the Black Concord Infrared 23 Noir. Oh, I guess 23 Noir. Yeah, I don't know. You know, sometimes they have the English version and then another language version in the description. But yes, bruh. Look at that color, man. Look at that infrared, dude. That color is blazing. Wow. Look at that, man. You know what I'm saying? And some people was clowning these, but I think they hot, man. Look at all that ice in that blue sole. Got the Nike Jumpman is all over this. It's a hybrid, man. This front panel right here, that's from the Jordan 6, man. You know what I'm saying? We also got the back Nike Air from the, I guess that's from the Jordan 4. And a bunch of other, you know, hybrid components in this thing, man. This shoe is amazing, bruh. Look at this thing, man. You know, we kind of get like a, you know, kind of a brush, you know, suede kind of leather on the front, you know what I'm saying? Just pretty much all over this, man. You see some canvas in this side panel. It's just a lot of details all over this thing, man. We got the Jumpman on the tongue, you know what I'm saying? Boom, yo, this thing is hot, man. Infrared is all over this thing, man. Infrared Air Max in the, you know, the inner sole. You know what I'm saying? So this is crazy, bro. This is insane, dude. I love this. I love these shoes, man. A big Air Max bubble window on this thing, man. These are hard, son. I don't care what nobody say, bro. Somebody was trying to compare these to the 6 rings. Nah, this ain't the 6 rings, man. And what I've been telling y'all, man, this is a symbolizing Jordan brand, taking it to the next level, man, with these lifestyle sneakers, man. These things are hot, dude. And they got other colorways that some of your favorite color schemes are coming to the shoe as well. If they're not, they're available now. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's up, man. Definitely, I had to get these, man. Once I saw them, the release date was just cloudy, man. They just dropped out of nowhere, man. I know some people were able to get these ahead of time, you know what I'm saying? You know, overseas and through StockX, but these just hit, man. You know what I'm saying? And I had to make sure I scooped up a pair, dude. And this is hot, bro. This is hot and it's crazy. I'm in the streets, man. Stuff is happening around me. I know you can hear this. People is moving. People are out today. But look at this shoe, son. Tell me this joint ain't hot, bro. Tell me it's not, man. You know what I'm saying? And I will tell you, you lying. But that's what's up, man. This is a Jordan Point Lane. It reminds me of the Jordan Infrared 6, man. You know what I'm saying? But these are out there, and they got other dope color schemes on the way, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a hot shoe, man. And I think that's it for me, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you, as they say in New York. But yeah, this is dope, man. We give y'all some on feet and you know, some you know, pan around the shoe, man. Get some 360 footage as well, man. But Monk is out, man. Make sure you just subscribe to the channel, man. And we out here, bruh.